What's going on, everybody? I am that driving guy, and my office gets me where I'm going. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, and hit all. That way, you're notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget to hit up the description box for some essentials that can help you along the way as you're out there dashing. All right? So, I'm pretty sure all of you know by now, as of January in the new year, all Doordash employees are going to have to now dash once a month. So every single one who's on the payroll for Doordash, from the highest to the lowest, it's mandatory for them to have to dash once a month. So let me say, this is a program that DoorDash actually had in place since it started in 2013. So this is something that was around from the beginning. So it's actually not a new program. So I want to say that this is not a new program. They're just reactivating it because it kind of got slowed down and halted because of COVID. So now, as of January, they are reactivating the We Dash program, is what it's called, and everyone is going to have to do a dash. Now, if for any reason they are not able to go out and dash, then they are going to have to work with customer service reps and dasher support, and also work with the merchants and the restaurants. So they're going to get it from that perspective, the restaurant and the customer service perspective, and then you'll have all the others who are going to get it from the dasher's perspective. So this is actually a great program that they thought of, and to have it in place from the beginning is it shows that they are being hands on. It shows that they are working towards making their product better. You understand? So I can appreciate that, to have something where everyone knows. So it's not just something that the engineers, because they build the platform or whatever, and the CEO or whoever creates it or runs it, it doesn't matter. They all get to experience every angle of their product. So, you know, I'm for it. I'm for it. I know that, they're not doing it for the same reasons that we're doing it. You know what I mean? So they're not out for the money. They're getting a paycheck already. So, they'll accept a $2 order for 14 miles. It don't matter to them. You know what I mean? Because all the money is getting donated to a nonprofit. So it doesn't really make a difference if they did that. But, over time, it's like I said, over time, hopefully they'll take note of whatever the pain points are of the dasher, of the restaurants, so that overall the customer, the who is the main objective, is happy. You know what I mean? And they get their food or whatever it is that they're having delivered to them, they get it quickly and efficiently. You know what I mean? So, this is a cool thing. Now, it does not specify whether or not they're going to have to work just one block, maybe 4 hours to 8 hours possibly, or if they're just going to do one dash and then that's it and they're done. But since the alternative would be working with customer service and dasher support and working with the restaurants and the merchants, then it's safe to say that it's more than likely going to be a block, not just one and done. So they'll have a chance to experience some of the things that dashers go through from day to day. And they're doing this once every month. So, over time they're going to really know both sides, and well, all sides rather, because the customer is at the top. That's the main object. That's who is making all of this go around. You understand? And then you have the restaurants, and then you have the dashers, and every single one of us are important in this whole equation. We're all important, and like I said, for them to take the initiative to try to see all the angles and make things better for all of us, then that's cool. I'm all for that. You know what I mean? So every employee will be doing a dash or working with dasher support and or in the restaurants, with the merchants. So, you know, if you're for it, let me know. If you're not for it, let me know. But if there are any updates or any changes, I'll be sure to let y'all know. So, as always, I appreciate y'all. And until next time, I'm a holla.